Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility and gathering parts. Plug the USB-C to PCIe enclosure into the phone or tablet, then connect the eGPU dock to the PC. Once done, enable developer USB debugging on the mobile device and switch the PC to a high-performance power profile so throughput is stable. This reduces throttling. Make sure you have the correct drivers ready on the PC, because installing them mid-process causes interruptions. This gets you into the first actionable connection step. You now install the GPU drivers on the PC and update the adapter firmware. This is critical because mismatched firmware causes device enumeration failures. Then check PCIe link speed in the enclosure settings and pick the fastest stable option. Lower speeds reduce bandwidth. Once the system recognizes the card, configure the MUX switch or virtualization pass-through so the mobile GPU maps to the target application or virtual machine. Make sure to test with a lightweight benchmark to verify compute and graphics outputs are routed correctly. You finish by running the intended workload and monitoring temperatures, power draw, and PCIe error logs to ensure stability. If you see throttling, adjust power limits and fan curves, and consider a higher amp USB-C power supply to avoid brownouts. Once done, validate performance against your benchmark baseline. If things go wrong, first reset cables and the GPU in the enclosure, then reflash firmware, and ensure driver versions match the mobile GPU. Often the issue is a mismatched driver or a flaky USB-C trace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.